Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. This is Ashok from TechiBee and today we'll be reviewing CrDroid or MI-A1. And guys, this ROM also supports many other devices. You can check out the description below whether it supports your device or not. I've been using this ROM since 2-3 days and the performance wise this is again a very much stable ROM, good battery life, which I'll tell you in a later part. So first of all, showing you the software information, this ROM is based on Android 8.1 Oreo. So you can go to System, About, Phone. As you can see here, Android 8.1 CrDroid version is 4.2 with the latest security patch of 5th April 2018 and the build date is 22nd April. And the best part of this ROM is this also supports OTA update. You can go to System, check for the update. If any update available, you can download it from here. And this ROM also consists of applications like Audio FX and Google Camera, which is in primary camera on this ROM. Services like Volti, everything is working fine. This is again a stable ROM, and now we have almost all ROMs which are stable and can be used as daily driver. It comes pre-installed with a Launcher 3 and under which you get options to change the icon pack, and many other options are available under this, including icon mask. Talking about the customization options, this ROM is again highly customizable ROM. All the customizations can be found under CrDroid settings. So you go to CrDroid, here you have all the customizations related to status bar, quick settings, lock screen, recents, navigation, buttons, user interface, notifications, sound, miscellaneous, and after that you have About CrDroid, where you can check out the change logs for all the new builds. And here under miscellaneous you get options like removing ads, show CPU info, vibrate on plug, and another one is the partial screenshot. So if you enable partial screenshot, when you just take the screenshot, it will give you option to select the area which you wanted to include in the screenshot. So you can select the area and take a screenshot. User interface gives you options of ambient display. You can also change the system style to dark, light, automatic, time of the day, automatic according to the wallpaper. And you also have option of automatic. This tunes the style to match your wallpaper. And if you want to change the fonts, you can change it from interface. Many pre-installed fonts are available. And talking about buttons, many of the ROM doesn't have this option, which is disable hardware keys, which includes option of backlight, but this is available in this ROM. You also get option to end call using power button. Under recents you get options of icon pack. So I have been using by default as Hydrogen OS icon pack, and this is one of my favorite icon pack which I use it on my device. Lock screen gives you option of weather, which can be enabled from here, music visualizer, media art, and battery info. These are the customization options available here. Going to system, you get few gestures available under system, which includes ambient display, hand wave, pickup notification, pocket pulse, and proximity wake. So these were the customization options available on this ROM. Talking about benchmark results, I've used Geekbench application under which single core scores 877 and multi-core scores 4352. Moving on with AnTuTu Bench application, under this results are 80,155. There are no lags found on this ROM. It works pretty smooth, no heating issue. Battery backup is also amazing. But talking about battery backup, on an average first cycle I got on this ROM was somewhere around 7 hours and 20 minutes of screen usage, and which is a pretty amazing battery life. So guys, these were the things available on this ROM. Now talking about the installation process, I have made a dedicated video to install custom ROMs on MI-A1. You can check out the description below and install the ROM. So guys, as of now only this much in this video. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video, do give me a thumbs up. Also, if you are new to my channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.